Hey guys, we're gonna have some fun. If you've caught this video, if you wanna send me pictures of your current heating and air system, we're going to at times go live on YouTube and go through some of the pictures, and I will critique your heating and air system. So if I see something wrong, if I see something that could have been done better, if I see something unsafe, whatever. If you want to send me pictures of your heating and air system, you don't have to be signed up for our new HVAC guide. You don't have to be one of our customers at Griffin Air. We will critique that system, whether it's new or old or whatever. If you want to send us pictures of it, we will look it over and tell you if we see anything that needs repaired or something that's sloppy or whatever. If you send me pictures of your system, I can't guarantee that you'll make the live show. But if you don't make the live show, that might be a good thing. That might mean that I didn't see a whole lot wrong with your system and you didn't make the show. I'm going to put the email below, but the email is hvacguide1@gmail.com. And we're looking for pictures of the system, indoor and outdoor units, pictures where you're standing back looking at the system, possibly. Do everything safe. Just send me some pictures of your system. Send me pictures of the data plates so I can kind of know what I'm looking at. That way, if something doesn't match up or whatever. So we're going to go through those live on a show from time to time, and hopefully we can have some fun with that. But maybe you might learn something about your own system and know if something's wrong. Maybe it wasn't installed right. Stay tuned for that. We'll be doing that in the future, but send those pictures to hvacguide1@gmail.com. Thanks.